In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move photos from iCloud to your iPhone storage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here at the very top at your name, and that will open up Apple ID settings. Here we need to get into iCloud. Just hit right here where it says iCloud, and on the next page, just under the apps using iCloud, you will find this photos item. We need to get into photo settings here, and that's where you can easily find the option sync this iPhone. So basically, guys, all we have to do in order to move the entire media content such as photos and videos from your iCloud photos to your iPhone storage is just turn this switcher on, like in my case, and once you activated this option, it will immediately start syncing your media files between your iPhone and iCloud Drive. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.